Let's walk.
Can you walk to Mama? Good job. Come here.
You can do it.
Can you keep coming?
Come on.
Come to Mommy. Riley. Hi. Hi, pretty. Can you walk? Good job. Good step. Good job. You're walking, Riley. Good job. Yay, Riley. Yay.
September 10th.
September 10th. She's walking. Riley. Hi, honey. Hi, Riley. Hi.
Red means